Hey guys, this is Shauna, and this incredible recipe is an egg fast French toast. Now, if you're loving all of my easy keto and low carb recipes, please make sure you drop easy in the comments for me so that I can invite you over to my recipe group where I have literally thousands of recipes, including the complete 5-day guide for the egg fast that I've been doing. So you're going to take all of these ingredients here. I listed them so you can take a screenshot to your phone, combine them in a blender and blend until they are nice and smooth. Let set for just a minute until the bubbles dissipate. Then you're going to fill each cup on your muffin tin, bake at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Let them rest on the counter for about 5 minutes before taking them out, and add butter, sugar-free syrup, and you can store these in the fridge for 1 week. Reheat in the microwave for 15 seconds. Enjoy.